This question from Turkey. Can a Muslim state cut off the water supply from its river sources to its neighboring Muslim countries during this time of crisis or war declared by the enemy country? Would that be lawful according to Islam?
Do you have a particular situation in mind, or any particular Muslim country which might have done this?
So this question is from Turkey. It's not my question. Someone sent it.
It's definitely wrong and against Islam. In Jang-e Badr, Hazrat Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam did not cut the supply of water of the enemy as well. While it was a very serious time for Islam, and it was a real danger they were facing of extinction, yet Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam permitted them to take water from the source of water which was under the command of the Muslims. So it is definitely against law, against Islam, against the practice of Hazrat sallallahu alaihi wasallam at the time of danger.